Hi everyone, Gerard here, forexdaytradingroom.com. I am going to talk about futures today. I am going out on a limb, as they say. I'm predicting a 5% move up here from the 39.90 level on the S&P 500 index. That's right. Mark the date. Nothing's ever a guarantee, but 5/10/2022. My entry is in. If you want to follow along, that's fine. Keep in mind, Forex trading, stock trading, options trading, futures trading are very risky, and you can lose all of your money. Okay, enough with the government required disclaimer. Let's get to it. We're talking here on the 4-hour chart. Everything is so oversold, grossly oversold. The daily chart, so grossly oversold here. Why then? Why? Why today? Why now? A number of different reasons. I'm not going to get into detail, of course. The super details are for the members. But the basic details are for anybody who's listening. We are at some major support levels that go way back. And at this point, we have the signal. And it looks like we may make the move. Now, you want to get a confirmation on this. You don't just want to go in blindly and say, hey, there's a support level. Let's go ahead and commit all our money in our account to this particular trade. No, but it's not just the S&P. I feel that there's other pairs. For example, the pound versus the US dollar. I believe this is setting up, and I believe we're headed up, at least, maybe not starting today, but I am looking for this week for the pound versus the US dollar to start making a move higher. Again, a very, very aggressive move to the downside. Let's go to the fibs, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to start here. We're going to go up here to the top, and we're going to see that we blew through that 61. Oftentimes with the pound dollar, you're going to see a blow through on Fibonacci retracement levels, and then you will see a move off of this. So just because we passed this doesn't mean, oh, we're going to go down here. I'm not believing it right now. I think we see a turnaround and a move up, maybe at least temporarily. And let's see if we can get 100, 200 pips on this one. So the entry is in, the stops are in. Pound versus the US dollar. I know this is kind of an ugly chart. I didn't make it all pretty, but MT4, very widely used, simple to learn, easy to understand. Now, of course, the all famous Euro versus the US dollar. Where do I think this is going? I'm kind of in the same boat as I am the pound versus the dollar. I think this is going to also start to make its way up. Grossly overdone. The only difference here between this and the pound dollar is we had the consolidation phase going on here, and as I mentioned in the last video, if you have not seen it, we have been trading off of this level, up and down this retracement area, not here, but from here to here to here, and just like a zigzag. This week, let's see if we break out of this zigzag. Let's see if we come above the 79 area and break forward, and then we should see into the 107. So just some thoughts, just some ideas of where we may be going on the S&P. The main reason for this video is for the S&P. Now, what if I am incorrect and we start to move lower? Where do we go on the S&P from here? Well, check this out. That means that we may actually head down here. Okay. 38.24. we'll see. Anything is possible. We're going to see how today closes. I personally do think we see a rebound, but if we don't, that's what stops are for. So let's sit back and see. Are we going to get the rebound starting today? Are we going to get the rebound tomorrow? Are we not going to get a rebound? Hey, we'll trade what we see. Sometimes I'll have a swing trade going and I'm waiting, to see a move up, and then all of a sudden it reverses and then I make a short. That's what's so great about day trading. You can change your position. You don't have to be married to your position. All right, everybody. I hope this helped. Some key levels here once again on the S&P that we have hit. Looking for a move higher. Right now, we're kind of just consolidating at the lows. We're getting these aggressive little pops, and then they're getting sold. Again, I'm looking for a green to come on the screen over the course of the next few days on the S&P. Very interesting to see. All right, with that said, be prudent out there. Big moves happening in either direction on the S&P. Of course, mostly to the downside, but we've been also seeing some pretty nice pops up. And then most of these are getting sold. Take care, everyone, and have a wonderful trading week.